Our topic today is either versus neither. These two words are often confusing to English learners. In this video today, I'll show you the difference between them and the right way to use them in sentences. Okay? Use either when you have two choices. You have two choices and any of them is possible. That means one can be done at a time or one can be chosen at a time. So one is possible. That means out of the two choices, any of them can go, any of them can be chosen, but one at a time. Okay? Either is also used at the end of a negative sentence. We use neither when you have two things and out of the two, both are negative. Both of them are negative. So it means not this and not that. None of them can be chosen because both are negative. Okay? Now, let's use this information to answer these questions. 1. Blank of the two answers is correct. What should be the right word to use here? Either or neither. The correct word is neither. This is because we have two answers and both of them are not correct. So this is negative. Neither of the two answers is correct. 2. You can sit on blank side of the table. Here, the sentence suggests that the table has different sides, but you can only sit on one side. So we have two choices, but one is possible. Okay, so only one is possible. That means either is the right word to use. You can sit on either side of the table. 3. Blank of the boys knew the answer. The right word to use here is neither. This means that none of the boys knew the answer. So if you can use none, it means neither is the right word. It's negative. Okay? Neither of the boys knew the answer. None of them knew the answer. 4. I like blank of these two dresses. What should be the right answer? If I don't like any of them, it is negative. That means none of them should be chosen. So neither is the right word to use in that case. I like neither of these two dresses. 5. Blank options seems better to me. What should be the right answer? If none of the options is better to me, it is negative. It means I won't choose any of them. So neither is what I will use. Neither option seems better to me. 6. I don't like coffee. I don't like tea. Blank. Here we have two sentences. This is the first one. This is the second one. And we use either at the end of a negative sentence. Don't here makes the sentence negative. So either should be the right word to use. So it is used at the end of a negative sentence. I don't like coffee. I don't like tea either. 7. Blank John nor Peter was at the meeting. Whenever you see nor in a sentence, you must use neither. Neither goes with nor, while either goes with or. So neither is the right word to use. Neither John nor Peter was at the meeting. No. 8. You can choose blank rice or beans. Here we have or. When you see or in a sentence, use either. Okay, so either is the right word here. You can choose either rice or beans. That means we have two choices, rice and beans. You are to choose one, and one of them is possible at a time. 9. Blank of the books belongs to me. If none of the books belongs to me, it is negative. It means I won't choose any of them. So neither is the right word. Neither of the books belongs to me. 10. She didn't call me and she didn't text me. Blank. Here we have she didn't call me. One sentence. She didn't text me. A second sentence. And what do we use at the end of a negative sentence? This makes the sentence negative. So we use either at the end of a negative sentence. Either. She didn't call me and she didn't text me either. So when you have something that shows negativity in a sentence, you must use either at the end of it. 11. Blank of the girls is ready. Here, if none of the girls is ready, it means neither is the right word to use. Neither. It is negative. Neither of the girls is ready. This means not this girl, not the other girl. None of them is ready. 12. Blank John or his friends are coming. Here we have or. Remember, whenever you see or in a sentence, you must use either. So the right word is either. Either John or his friends are coming. 13. I don't like it blank. What kind of sentence do we have here? This is a negative sentence. And what do we use at the end of a negative sentence? Is it either or neither? We use either at the end of a negative sentence. So the right answer is either. I don't like it either. 14. I don't understand the question. Blank does my friend. I'll leave this one for you to figure out the answer in the comment section. Let me know if you actually understood the lesson. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like and watch out for my next grammar lesson.